How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is click on Windows plus R key. Now type in services.msc and then click on OK. With that, new windows will open up. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down and find the option WLAN auto config. After you find it, make sure it is running. For that you can click on it. And over here you will find the option of start. Click on it. Likewise, right click on it. Over here you will find this section of startup type. Click on that drop down and set it to automatic. And then click on OK. Once you customize these settings, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Heading towards next solution. Open your settings app. Here we go. Now head towards the option of network and internet. Open it. At the left corner you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of status. Now over here you're gonna find different options. Scroll down. You'll see this option, change adapter options. Click on that. Now go ahead and click on the internet that you are connected to. Make sure it is enabled. Now heading towards next solution, you can head back. You'll see this option of network reset. Click on it. Now you have to reset all the network for your device. Just go through the process to reset it. With that, your PC will restart, and with that your problem will be fixed. Heading towards next solution, click on Windows plus R key, type in devmgmt.msc and click on OK. Now over here you will find different options. Go ahead and click on the option of network adapters. Click on it. Under that you're gonna find different adapter options. Now you have to check for the network adapter. Right click on it. Then click on the option of update driver. Click on browse my computer for drivers. Then click on next. The best drivers are already installed. Once you complete this process, you can jump into next solution. You will need to type in CMD at the bottom left corner. After it appears, right click on it and then click on the option of run as administrator. Now you will need to type in the command prompt. Netis space winsock space reset and then press enter and then type in another command prompt netis space int space ip space reset log.txt and then press enter, and with that you will be good to go. Applying these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 10. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.